Welcome to our module on mobile and IoT security, a crucial topic in today's interconnected digital landscape. Here, we'll explore how to effectively protect our ever-expanding connected world from various evolving threats. Let's start by understanding the fundamental principles of mobile device management, or MDM, in our organizations. MDM is essential for safeguarding all devices and critical data within an organization's digital environment. First, let's get an overview of what MDM truly entails and its primary functions. MDM encompasses administrative and security strategies for managing smartphones, tablets, and even laptops effectively. It ensures that all devices consistently comply with corporate policies and stringent security standards. Crucially, MDM protects your valuable data and applications by enforcing security measures like strong encryption. Now, let's look at the key objectives that MDM aims to achieve in any organizational setting. Security is paramount. Protecting data with encryption and enforcing robust password policies across devices. Compliance ensures that all devices meet vital regulatory and organizational security standards consistently. Management focuses on streamlining device configuration, deployment processes, and ongoing maintenance effortlessly. Continuing our discussion, let's dive deeper into the practical aspects of MDM implementation. We will explore how organizations effectively control and secure their mobile devices through various mechanisms. Device enrollment is the initial step, where devices are registered with the central MDM system. This registration allows administrators to efficiently manage devices and enforce necessary security policies. Next, we have policy management, which involves establishing clear rules for device usage and security. These rules include important aspects like password strength requirements and restrictions on specific applications. Remote management provides the capability to control and oversee devices from a distant location. Features include remote wipe, device lock functionality, and seamless configuration updates for all devices. Finally, reporting and analytics involve gathering crucial data on device usage and compliance status. This tracking helps monitor policy adherence and identify potential security incidents effectively. While MDM offers immense benefits, it also presents several key hurdles that organizations must overcome. It's about navigating the inherent complexities in maintaining robust mobile security across diverse environments. One major challenge is the diverse ecosystem, managing various device types and operating systems effectively. This means handling a wide array of smartphones, tablets, and different software platforms simultaneously. Another hurdle is user privacy, balancing essential security needs with individual privacy concerns. Striking this balance is critical to maintaining trust while ensuring data protection for everyone. Finally, regulatory compliance requires aligning MDM practices with strict laws like GDPR or HIPAA. Meeting these legal obligations is crucial to avoid penalties and maintain data integrity. Today, we're diving into the crucial topic of understanding mobile app security. It's vital for protecting our digital lives. Mobile app security protects applications from threats by securing code, data, and communication. The OWASP Mobile Top 10 lists critical risks. Let's now explore the top 5 mobile app vulnerabilities, which are critical for every developer to understand. These insights are drawn directly from the OWASP Mobile Top 10, a definitive guide for security best practices. First, we have improper platform use, which can lead to significant security weaknesses if not handled carefully. This means incorrectly utilizing platform features, or APIs, often leading to unintended security gaps in your application. Such errors can result in insecure data storage or misconfigured permissions, exposing sensitive information to risks. Next, we examine insecure data storage, a common vulnerability where sensitive information is not adequately protected. This occurs when sensitive data is stored in an exposed manner, making it easily accessible to attackers. Examples include storing unencrypted data or logging sensitive information directly which are serious security flaws. Another significant risk is insecure communication, where data transmitted between your app and backend is vulnerable. This is a failure to secure data as it travels between your mobile app and its backend servers. A prime example is transmitting data over unencrypted channels, such as standard HTTP, which is highly risky. Then, we have insecure authentication, which involves weak or flawed mechanisms for verifying user identity. This refers to weak or flawed mechanisms used to verify a user's identity, leaving accounts vulnerable. It includes weak password policies or insecure session management, which can compromise user accounts easily. Finally, insecure authorization highlights flaws that allow unauthorized actions or access beyond a user's rights. These are flaws that incorrectly grant users unauthorized actions or access to features they shouldn't have. Think of broken access control, where users can access functions or data beyond their defined permissions. Now, let's explore 5 essential steps you can take to build truly secure mobile applications. These are crucial practices designed to provide robust protection and enhance the overall security of your apps. First, implement strong authentication and authorization to verify user identities and control access effectively. Use multi-factor authentication and strong passwords, alongside proper role-based access control for robust security. Next, focus on secure data storage to protect sensitive information both on the device and in transit. Encrypt all sensitive data, whether at rest or in transit, utilizing secure platform storage mechanisms efficiently. Third, ensure secure communication channels to protect data transmitted between your app and external services. Always use TLS/SSL for secure channels, validate certificates, and consider certificate pinning for added trust. Prevent reverse engineering to make it harder for attackers to understand and exploit your application's code. Obfuscate your code to hinder deconstruction, and use anti-tampering techniques to prevent unauthorized modifications effectively. Finally, regular updates are crucial to patch vulnerabilities and keep your application secure against new threats. Keep all libraries and dependencies updated with security patches, and regularly update your app for new vulnerabilities. Now, let's turn our attention to navigating the unique security risks associated with the Internet of Things. We'll explore the specific hurdles and challenges involved in securing a vast network of connected devices. One major risk is the lack of standardization across diverse IoT devices, creating inconsistent security levels. Different devices often lack uniform security protocols, making it difficult to apply consistent protection measures. Another common issue is weak authentication, where many IoT devices use easily guessable or default credentials. Indeed, many devices rely on weak or default passwords, making them easy targets for attackers. Insecure firmware is also a concern, as software updates for IoT devices may not be properly secured. This means that essential software updates might not be properly secured, introducing new vulnerabilities. Furthermore, data privacy issues arise from inadequate protection of sensitive personal data collected by IoT devices. Many IoT devices suffer from inadequate protection of the sensitive personal data they collect and process. Finally, physical security is critical, as IoT devices are often susceptible to tampering or theft, exposing data. These devices are often physically exposed, making them susceptible to tampering or even outright theft. Now, let's focus on strengthening the security of our IoT devices, a crucial step for any connected environment. We'll explore key strategies to create a truly protected and resilient connected environment for all your devices. We begin with the core practices, foundational steps essential for securing any Internet of Things device. First, implement strong authentication and access controls, always changing those vulnerable default passwords immediately. Next, ensure all data is encrypted, both when it's moving and when it's stored, using secure protocols. Regularly update firmware and software, This promptly patches vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by attackers. Also, secure device interfaces by hardening APIs and diligently monitoring all access points to prevent breaches. Moving on, let's explore some advanced measures that provide an even deeper layer of security for IoT. Implement network segmentation to isolate IoT devices, preventing them from accessing your critical, sensitive systems. Conduct regular security assessments and penetration testing to proactively identify and fix potential weaknesses. Don't forget physical security. It's vital to prevent tampering or theft of your valuable IoT devices. Finally, develop and enforce clear security policies and educate all users about best practices. Now, let's delve into securing various connected environments, from our homes to industrial settings. We'll look at tailored approaches, understanding that home and industrial IoT security require different strategies. First, let's consider smart home devices and the specific steps we can take to secure them. Always change default credentials to strong, unique passwords to protect your smart home devices from unauthorized access. Secure your home network with WPA3 encryption and ensure your router's firmware is always updated. Enable automatic software and firmware updates on your devices to ensure they always have the latest security patches. Consider using network segmentation for your smart devices, isolating them from your main home network. Next, we'll examine the critical security measures required for industrial IoT devices and systems. Conduct thorough risk assessments for each industrial IoT device and system to identify specific vulnerabilities. Implement robust network segmentation using firewalls and virtual LANs to protect critical industrial operations. Always use secure communication protocols, such as TLS or SSL, for all data transmission in industrial settings. Implement role-based access control and strong authentication, ensuring only authorized personnel can access devices. To conclude our discussion, let's quickly summarize the key points we've covered today. Here are the key takeaways, important concepts for you to remember from this entire lecture. Remember, mobile device management, or MDM, is crucial for effectively managing and securing mobile devices within organizations. The OWASP Mobile Top 10 provides a vital resource, highlighting critical vulnerabilities in mobile application security. Strong authentication, robust encryption, and regular updates are absolutely essential for maintaining robust app security. IoT devices present unique challenges, often lacking standardization and having inherently weak authentication mechanisms. Network segmentation and physical security are vital, whether you're protecting smart home or industrial IoT environments. Ultimately, proactive security measures are our best defense in safeguarding our increasingly connected digital world.